Hello students, welcome to the channel Notion of Mathematics. In today's video, we will be trying to understand that what is the meaning of Echelon form, okay, and thereafter how we can find the rank of any matrix by using this Echelon form. So I have written here 3 points. So if we will apply these 3 points to any matrix, that matrix will be converted into the Echelon form. So what is the first point? The first point is non-zero rows. All non-zero rows are above than the rows of all zero. Okay, so this is the first point. And thereafter, what is the second point? Second point is the leading entry. Leading entry means pivot element here. The leading entry of each non-zero row is the right of the leading entry in the row above it. It means what? This is the leading entry pivot element in this row. This is pivot in this row, and this is pivot in this row. So this pivot is to the right in the previous row pivot, and this pivot is also to the right of the previous row pivot. So this is the meaning of this particular second point. Now the third point is like the entry below each pivot is zero. So this is a pivot, and below this the entry is zero. This is a pivot. The below this the entry is zero. So in such a way we can transform any matrix into the echelon form. Now, you see, I have written here already two matrices. So first we will be trying to handle this first question. In this particular question, I have to find the rank of matrix by transforming this matrix into the echelon form. So in order to transform any matrix into the echelon form, I need to apply elementary transformations. Elementary transformations on these rows, right? So this is row 1, this is row 2, R2, and this is row 3, R3. So first elementary transformation is R2 minus R1. So if I will apply this elementary transformation, what will be the change? I'm writing it here. So R2 minus R1 will give me here 0. Okay. And here it will be giving me 1, and here it will be also giving me 0. And this will be the same 2, 2 and 3. Thereafter, I will apply here one more transformation, elementary transformation. R3 is R3 minus 2R1. R3 is R3 minus 2R1. So 1, 1, 2 is same, 0, 1, 0 is same, and it will be the updation will be like this. R3 is R3 minus 2R1. So this will give 0, this will give 0, and this will give 3 minus 4, that is minus 1. Now, one more transformation I want to apply, that is R3 is minus 1 into R3. So the updation will be, the transformation will be applied there. So the updation will be like this: 1, 1, 2, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, and 1. So now you can see this is pivot element here, this is pivot element here, and this is pivot element here. So as per all these three rules, this particular matrix is considered as now in echelon form, and there is one formula that rank of any matrix A is equal to the number of non-zero rows, in what? In echelon form. Number of non-zero rows in echelon form. So you can see in this particular echelon form how many non-zero rows are there: 1, 2, and 3. So what will be the rank of this particular matrix? That will be equal to 3. That will be equal to 3. So in such a way, we have got the rank of this first matrix A. Now it's time to handle this second question. In this one again, I have to find the rank of this matrix A. So what will be the elementary transformation I will apply here? R2 is R2 minus 2 R1. R2 is R2 minus 2 R1, right? So it will be what? It will be 4, 2, 3, same. So it will be 0, and it is 0, and it is again 0, and it is minus 2 minus 1 and minus 1.5 as it is. Thereafter, I will apply another elementary transformation. R3 is R3 plus 1 by 2 R1. So what will be the updation after this? So updation will be in R3. R1 and R2 will be same. 4, 2, 3, 0, 0, and 0. So what will be this matrix after this particular row after this transformation? R3 is affected by, I mean to say, R3 plus 1 by 2 R1. So it is 0, and it is again 0, right? And thereafter, one more transformation I will apply. So R3 is replaced by 1 by 4, not R3. Actually, I'm not talking about R1. I'm not talking about R1. R1 is replaced by 1 by 4 R1, right? 1 by 4 R1. So it will be what? It will be 1, and 2 by 4 will be 1 by 2 and 1 by 2, and 3 by 4 it will be here. And it is 0, it is 0, it is 0, and this row is also 0. And this is the pivot element. So as per the rules of Echelon form, this particular matrix is now in Echelon form. This is now in Echelon form, and in this particular matrix, how many non-zero rows are there? Only one non-zero row is there. Okay, okay, and that is row 1, and this row 2 is 0, and this row 3 is also 0. So what is the rank of this particular matrix? So as per this formula, the rank of this particular matrix is 1, right? So students, I hope that this video will be quite helpful to all of you to understand the concept of Echelon form and how to find the rank after using that. So thank you so much for watching this video.